The Karnataka Deputy CM's actions prompted the BJP to take a dig at Congress, which said Shivakumar singing the RSS anthem has sent Rahul Gandhi and the close aides of the Gandhi family into the ICU and coma. Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar found himself surrounded by controversy after he sang the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh RSS anthem in the State Assembly on Thursday. The video of Shivakumar singing RSS Sangha Prarthana, Namaste Sada Vatsal Matrabhum, has also gone viral on social media. His actions prompted the Bharatiya Janata Party BJP to take a dig at Congress, which said Shivakumar singing the RSS anthem has sent Rahul Gandhi and the close aides of the Gandhi family into the ICU and coma. After PM Modi spoke about the contribution of the RSS from the ramparts of the Red Fort, a majority of Congress leaders are now hailing the RSS. No one in Congress thorough to D.K. Shivakumar takes Rahul seriously, said BJP leader Pradeep Bhandari in a post on X. BJP leader V. Sunil Kumar also took a jibe at Shivakumar and said, "Hope these lines are not removed from the records." Meanwhile, R. Ashoka, BJP MLA and leader of opposition in Karnataka Assembly, reminded the Deputy CM that he once said he wore RSS chatty. Shivakumar, however, has clarified that he has no plans to join the BJP and he is a Congress since birth for life. Shivakumar's recital came after BJP MLAs accused him of being an abettor of the Bengaluru stampede. Replying to the accusations, he said, "I am a member of the Karnataka State Cricket Association KSCA and people there, including the KSCA secretary, are my friends. I am the Bengaluru in-charge minister. I had gone to the airport and stadium on June 4th. I also held the Karnataka flag. I did wish them RCB and I kissed the cup as well. I have done my job. The accident happened. Such things have happened in other states as well. If needed, I will read out the list of incidents that have occurred in other places as well. I, too, have many things to say about you as well."